Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn to connect with Harvard University staff and request a fee waiver without even submitting a formal application first. The first thing you need to do is create or update your LinkedIn profile. Make sure your headline clearly shows you are a prospective student. For example, write aspiring master's student interested in Harvard University or future Harvard student, public policy enthusiast. Your profile picture should be professional. Your About section should briefly highlight your academic background, achievements, and interest in studying at Harvard. Mention your field of study and your motivation for joining the university. Keep it short but strong. Next, go to the LinkedIn search bar and type Harvard University Admissions, Harvard University Recruiter, or Harvard University Program Coordinator. Filter the search results by people. You will now see a list of staff members connected to admissions, financial aid, and specific programs. Start by connecting with 5 to 10 relevant people. When sending the connection request, always add a personalized note. Keep it polite and concise, for example. Hello, name? I'm an aspiring student interested in program name at Harvard University. I admire your work and would love to connect to learn more about the admissions process. After they accept your request, wait 1 or 2 days, then send a friendly, respectful message. Begin with a thank you for connecting, then share a short version of your academic profile. And finally, politely ask about fee waiver possibilities. For example, hello James, thank you for accepting my request. I am a final year student of economics from India with a strong academic record and interest in applying at Harvard. Before starting my application, I wanted to know if there's any possibility for an application fee waiver for international students based on financial circumstances. I would greatly appreciate your guidance. Sometimes, instead of admissions officers, you may connect with professors or current students who can direct you to the right contact. If they suggest emailing someone, politely ask for their email ID and mention you were referred by a LinkedIn connection. Once you get the right contact, you can send a formal email explaining your situation and requesting a waiver. Many times, if they find you a strong candidate, they will either give you a direct fee waiver code or guide you to the form for requesting it. Keep in mind, always stay professional in your communication. First, spam multiple people with the same message, and be patient. Some might not respond, but even one helpful reply can open the door for your fee waiver. This method works not just for Harvard, but for many universities worldwide, as long as you are polite, clear, and show genuine interest in the program.